Alright, ladies and gentlemen, the assignment for drawing will be a duotone. I'm starting with the green. You can see here I got this lovely cute little whippet. Oh, this cute little boy. So you can see I'm starting it like achromatic, just one color. We're going to add the red to accentuate the darks. You're going to need shadows, midtones, and highlights. Whites of the paper is going to be your highlights. Your green is basically going to be your midtone. And then the red that you put over it will help accentuate. So you can see here that if I get a little closer with you, you can see that I have some lines there already mapping everything out. And you're just going to add stuff. And you want to go real light. You not want to go dark. Yes, I am drawing with a broken finger, so if I'm drawing with this broken finger, I'm more sure that you're capable. Because again, I'm looking for application, I'm not looking for perfection. There's no such thing as perfection. It's an ideal that can never be fully obtained. And you can disagree with me with that, I don't care. So, here we got this dog here. You can see that I'm going to be shading, and I'm going to show you now how we can use the red, so we're using complementary colors, to make things darker. We're going to go over it. And you might see it red at first, but then you'll see the colors kind of meld together. And it'll make it a dark, more neutral color. And that's basically how it's going to go. Notice that I'm not taking the red and I'm completely covering the green. I'm just trying to cover the green in the darkest areas. You might need to go back with the green and do another layer over top. That works perfectly fine as well. If you remember old 80s movies when 3D was popular, you might think, oh, that's kind of a little bit like 3D. And that's pretty much the same premise that 3D looked on, as you use complementary tones to mess with the eye to get it to pop out. Same thing op artists use on their drawings and their artwork as well. So now I can go light and dark. You want to have control. You want to have control over your colored pencil. You want to go with light pressure first and then add more pressure to make it darker where you need it. You can see here that definitely on the nose I go from a dark to a light. You don't want to do the whole composition this way. You take your green pencil, go back over your red. If you want to get the areas darker, you can see how it's getting darker here. And then go over the green. And now layering it over top of each other can make it darker and make it a more intense hue or color. I want the whole composition, everything filled. I'll be grading on application of using the duotone, and I'll be grading on composition, if you will or not you fill the space.